All right, guys, so here's the Unicorn Beetle Style. This is one of my favorite cases that they offer. They have this nice clear one now with a little frost down here on the bottom. This is one that I've used on every phone just about, and this is just a beautiful case. But let's try the clear one, man. I've not used the clear version of this. So this is pretty cool. So if you have a white iPhone or whatever color your iPhone is, this is going to be nice, man. You get serious drop protection. You get a ridged power button. That's the difference with these. This is just clear. You get the same power button there. You got all the cutouts and everything that are going to line up. Vibrate, mute, wipe switch, vibrate switch. You've got lip protection. Just a hair. And you got this huge cutout for the cameras. You know what I mean? That this phone has. Lots of grip on here. This has more grip than I thought it would have. But yeah, just a real brief, real straight to the point video. The Unicorn Beetle Style is one of the sexiest and best cases I use. It's normally this one, but I don't know if this is a new one. I personally have never seen the clear. I'm sure that if you know, let me know in the comments if you've seen the clear version for other phones. I've only had this one in this color and in blue I've purchased. So this is really clean in the clear version. It looks really, really hot, man. Really, really loving it, man. I'm really liking this. Anyway, it's your man Jay, Unicorn Beetle Style. What do you guys think about this case on the iPhone 11R?